Do you want to clear system storage on Android phone? We'll guide you through how to clear system storage on Android phone. Alright, first thing, hop into your phone's settings. In settings, scroll down and go into battery and device care. Then tap storage. In storage, here you can see which files are eating up your phone's space the most. The system always takes the biggest chunk because it's the core of Android. It handles updates, settings, security, background stuff, and keeps apps and hardware running smooth. Now, to clear system storage, go back to main settings. Tap Software Update. Then tap Download and Install. Make sure your phone's up to date, alright? Next step, and this one's super important, back to settings. Tap Apps. Pick any app you don't really use. Tap Force Stop. Hit OK to confirm. Do the same for all apps you don't use. Just go through them and force stop each one. Thanks for watching.